everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I stole myself away from baby Willow. My husband is watching her. You'll probably hear her cooing in the background as I do all my videos in the family room because, you know, it's family channel. But I could not hold the phone anymore. Tina with DP with Sparklers came out with her own diamond paintings. I did do one unboxing already. Feel free to check that out up here or at the end of the video. There'll be a link for you to go check it out if you haven't seen it already. But look at this. This box, diamond painting with sparklers. Sparklers. Gives you little instructions. And did you notice this? Mixed drills. That means not only are you going to get normal, beautiful colors, Tina does it right, you're probably going to get special drills and crystals. Now, I saw this at the retreat. She and her husband, Jerry, love you, Jerry. Jerry took all my money. Tina just sits there so sweetly, like, look at all of these crystals. And Jerry's like, give me your money, give me your money, I want your money. And I was like, yep, here, take it now. Okay. Toolkit, normal toolkit. You get a single placer, some baggies, white tray, wax, not a problem. I'm not in it. Look here. There are crystals and there are normal round drills. Are you ready to see what I got? Now, this image doesn't seem like much when you first look at it, but she had this done and I was like, oh my goodness, I have to have it. And I'm also going to add some sparklers to it. I'm not usually a rainbow fan. I love lots of colors, but I don't normally get rainbow. But this I had to get. What I also noticed here is you have your normal DMC colors, but you have some ABs, you have some crystals. Look at all these crystals. Anything with an L is a crystal, and then B is a special drill. So let's dive in. I have my guide here. It is a canvas. I put canvas because when I measure it, is it to drill quality or is it canvas size? And I learned by opening the other one that the factory Tina uses measures by canvas. That's why I have canvas. It's mixed drills, DP with sparklers. It was $40, but I believe it was on sale because she didn't have to like ship it or anything like that because I purchased it at the retreat. So I'm gonna pull this out, but first I wanna dive into the drills. Crinkle alert. Tina is all about the drills, and every company I feel like has a niche. You know, I'm not going to mention other companies, but I love all the companies I work with, not for, and I'm super excited. Okay, so here we go. I'm not sure what B means because these look normal, so I don't know. I'll have to ask Tina what B means. The rest of them, you've got a bunch of different grays for the sky area. But look at all these crystals. I mean, come on, people. I remember back in the day when we were scouting out AliExpress. Here's your ABs. Absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful purple there. I love that she has the DMC colors attached to the crystals. But I remember when we were scouring AliExpress to try to figure out which ones were rhinestones, aka crystals. And they used to just say crystal canvases, and they weren't, right? But this is legit. You're going to get crystals. Okay. So I never have success putting these back. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. I'm not going to be able to work for... There you go. You got your crinkle in today for a diamond painting company because I can't. So she's got her logo of don't let anyone dull your sparkles, like her little tagline. This is just gorgeous. And the sparkle is going to be amazing. And what I love is the gray is not the sparkle, the rainbow is. So it really showed up when she did this. And then number 7s are going to be ABs. So all of these are going to be accented, these little flowers. 2s, it's going to be gray. Yeah, so anything that's not gray is pretty much a crystal. It's canvasy feeling. It's got the surge to it. So you're not going to get fraying, or if you do get fraying, it's going to stop at the surge mark. It is poured glue. And you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 colors. So I'm going to mark that down in my log that you get 20 colors. And an AB, or 1, 2, 4, 6, I'm sorry, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13 crystals. So down here, I'm going to put 2 ABs, 13 crystals. So I have that noted, and then I will be cutting this out and putting it down here so I can keep track. I'm going to give you an up close and personal view of the drill field. So everything's really clear. There are a couple that you've got your black on a dark color, but this is Tina's first run through with the factory. And I am very impressed by that. Then we're going to measure real quick. Where did I put my measuring tape? I just spilled coffee right before I started this video all over everything. Thankfully, it was just empty trays, drill trays over here. And my measuring tape. All right, so this is 49.5. And they advertise it as 58. So they are doing the canvas because it is 58 if you go to the edge of the canvas. And then it's supposed to be 78 centimeters, but this factory, like I said, does the canvas versus the drill fields because we're at 69.5. It's still a gorgeous size. I'm so impressed by it. And then you can run this through a sticker maker, or you can put Scotch tape. I actually cut Scotch tape in half this way so it's thinner instead of wider, and then I actually just lay the Scotch tape over it, and then it fits beautifully on your storage containers. So I'm going to roll this up to protect it. Yeah, so check out DP with Sparklers. Not only does she have sparklers and crystals and square crystals, but she also has diamond paintings. So very excited about that. So check her out. Check out my logbook if you want down below. It's more than a logbook. It is an amazing how-to book that gives you lots of tips and tricks for your new and average diamond painting, as well as lingo and what we talk about in our chats. I can't wait to fill it up. And then it has at least 60 to 70 pages in the back that I'm filling up fast. So I love you all. Take care, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.